pag-aakala dati, ibang-iba yung ginagawa ko, pero ngayon, ako mismo ang tumutulong para sa magandang kinabukasan ng ibang tao. Kaya kung hinahanap mo yung next big step mo, baka ito na rin yun. Sa BPO, masaya ako doon. Masaya yung buhay ko, masaya yung environment. However, talagang napapaisip ako, ito ba talaga yung gusto kong gawin in life? Gusto ko sana yung mas malalim pa yung purpose. Hindi lang yung more of para sa akin, but more of for other people. Yun yung magiging legacy ko sa kanila. But at the same time, I will also earn substantially for my family. When I got married, I realized that yung income namin mag-asawa, it's not enough. And sobrang na-amaze ako because I was just doing it on the side, like an hour of my time. Nagulat ako na bakit napantayan niya na yung income ko sa corporate job ko. Beyond pa my imagination, yung kaya ko palang maging income in Sun Life. Ano ang best part na pagiging isang Sun Life advisor? Yung gigising ka sa umaga at mapapasabi ka na, "Thank you, Lord, I am with Sun Life." Kasi yung alam mong may gagawin kang may malaking purpose. And at the same time, you have the time flexibility to enjoy time with family. Kaming mga babae, madalas pinapapili kami. Would you rather be a full-time mom or a career woman? Dito sa Sun Life, hindi mo kailangang mamili. Pwede kang maging best mom to your children and at the same time, best Sun Life advisor to your clients. Pwede mong i-embrace ng sabay at masaya ka.
Advocacy is the core of what I do. Gusto ko talagang makatulong sa mas maraming tao. Para sa akin, ang tagumpay ay hindi lang para sa iilan. Dapat bawat isa may chance na maabot yung full potential nila. Yung work ko dati sa development sector, naging passionate ako dun sa naging trabaho ko because tinutulungan namin yung mga Pilipino na maging entrepreneurial sila, no? Kasi we believe na pag mas maraming negosyo, mas maraming trabaho. Pag mas maraming trabaho, mas magkakaroon ng chance or opportunity yung mas maraming kababayan natin na magnegosyo na lang sila dito sa Pilipinas kasama yung mga pamilya nila, especially yung mga kababaihan. Whenever I meet clients, I make sure na I listen to their stories. Habang natutulungan ko sila, I also learn from them para mas maging mabuti akong financial advisor. And moving forward, dun sa mga clients na magiging partner for life ko pa is matulungan ko pa sila. Yung advice ko para sa young generation, you should try to enter Sun Life kasi it really can give you the best of both worlds. Now, while helping other people, natutulungan mo rin yung sarili mo na i-fulfill yung mga gusto mong gawin sa buhay para sa'yo at para sa pamilya mo. Why Sun Life? Sun Life because it empowers me to be the best version of myself para mas makatulong ako sa mas marami pang tao. If you also have the mission to help and inspire others, this could be the perfect opportunity for you.
Before Sun Life, I was working hard to provide for my family, pero parang laging kulang. Pero when I started with Sun Life, it gave me more than just a job. It gave me opportunities. I am now a unit manager with Sun Life, but I still continue my career in the pharmaceutical industry and molecular industry as a district manager. So ngayon na medyo malaki na yung anak ko, na siya, 12 years old and mostly nasa school and meron na siyang ibang mga activities. That's why bumalik ako sa employment as a district manager. To be honest, nung una akong pumasok sa Sun Life, ang iniisip ko lang is income. Diba? Yun naman yung purpose as a solo parent. Pero eventually, habang tumatagal ako sa Sun Life, doon ko nakikita yung passion and purpose. Kapag gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, na hindi ka lang basta nagbebenta, yun yung difference ng Sun Life sa ibang selling industry. Kasi sa ibang selling industry, after you turn over the unit or nabigay mo na yung kailangan nila, nabili na nila, naibigay na sa'yo yung payment, tapos na yung relationship mo with the client. But with Sun Life, hindi. Nasusubaybayan mo yung milestones ng clients mo. Why Sun Life? Nakita ko yung culture ng Sun Life. Maraming nag-alok sa akin na ibang company to become a financial advisor. Pero ang nakita ko is yung culture ng Sun Life, paano sila mag-alaga ng clients. Dito sa Sun Life, ang culture natin is madaling lapitan. Yun yung malaking tulong sa akin.
Kung gusto mo ng trabaho na hindi puro 9 to 5 at may kalayaan kang magdesisyon kung anong oras ka magtatrabaho, baka ito na rin yung para sa'yo. Nung na-realize ko po na with my corporate job, dumating yung time na napagod ako sa commute. So naisipan ko na what if gawin ko yung travel time papunta sa work na side gig. At doon ko po nahanap si Sun Life. So nagsimula po ako as part-timer kay Sun Life. Malaking tulong po yung manager ko. Kasi ako po ay isang introvert actually. And lagi niya akong sinasamahan pag may clients, hanggang sa masanay po akong makipag-usap sa ibang tao. Then, nung na-realize ko po na mas ma-maximize ko yung time ko, if I go full-time, doon na po ako nag-full-time kay Sun Life. And simula nung nag-work ako with Sun Life, yung pong incentives or yung rewards na nakukuha ko with Sun Life, minsan yun po yung ginagamit ko pang travel. With Sun Life, I have time flexibility. Thank you, self, kasi tama yung decision ko. Naging priority ko, which is having time with my friends, family, and of course, with myself.
I thought to myself, parang I can do something more. I can spark change probably in a different field. I would say right now, in Sun Life, I am able to do it to help more people. During those times po, when I was taking public health, kitang-kita po dun yung napakaraming pasyente na lumuluwas. The problem is, they thought they will receive free healthcare. But the thing is, kahit po 250 pesos na x-ray, napakahirap po for them to afford. So, I thought to myself, parang I can do something more. I can spark change probably in a different field. And I would say, right now, in Sun Life, I am able to do it to help more people. Dito kasi mas may purpose na I found a bigger calling outside of the walls of the hospital na talaga makakagawa ko ng direct impact and change. My personal belief as an advisor, dapat para sa kliyente. Always and always, I try my best to give value first. I show my care to my clients. And yung mas marami silang nakuha, nakikita ko day to day that they've learned the basics of financial planning.
Iba pa rin talaga yung sincere kang nakakatulong sa mga clients mo. Pwede siyang mag-bloom to more businesses na bubuhay ka para sa ibang tao rin, hindi lang para sa sarili mo. Hindi ko akalaing ganito kasaya maging financial advisor. Akala ko, trabaho lang siya, another responsibility. Akala ko, panibagong trabaho. But then, nung nag-join ako sa Sun Life, I realized na hindi lang pala siya trabaho. Ang dami kong nagagamit ngayon na techniques and even yung character development, grabe talaga yung nagbago sa buhay namin. Alam mo yun, hindi ka nabubuhay para sa sarili lang. Nabubuhay ka, hindi lang din para sa family mo, kung hindi para sa ibang tao. Seeing my clients grow gave me more reason para magstay ako sa Sun Life. Being a financial advisor for 10 years, isa pa lang yung client ko na nakapag-claim. And yung client ko na nakapag-claim is a non-believer of life insurance. And ang kumuha nung insurance niya was her daughter. Nag-sign lang siya dahil yung daughter niya yung magbabayad ng policy. Pero hindi niya talaga na-appreciate what insurance can do for them. After a year, pagkuha niya ng policy, she was diagnosed with cervical cancer. And because of Sun Life, napagamot siya. And today, she's cancer-free na for 6 years. And that client is my mother. Ngayon, nakikita ko sa mga anak ko that they are grateful. Physically present ako for them sa lahat ng journey nila sa buhay nila. And ang tip ko sa mga gustong maging financial advisors, lalo na sa mga mommies, walang mawawala kung susubukan mo siya.
marami ka pang maidadagdag or maitutulong sa family mo.